Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Tech Happy Reviews back again. Today I'm reviewing the MyLampDepot Levitating Moon Lamp, and we're going to get right into it. So as you can see right here on the front, it has three different lights: cool white, natural white, and warm white. Here's some of the features. It's magnetic, levitating, 3D printed, and it has touch control, and it also has wireless charging. So that's pretty neat. And give me just a second, I'll flip it over to the side. These are all the different options you can get. You can get the regular moon like I have. There's another moon with, I believe, 3 different colors. The moon that's galaxy. You can also get a Saturn version, which will be right below that. You can get a Mars version, or you can also get a Jupiter version. So whichever one you're wanting, it's pretty cool either way you go. But those are just some of your options. Here you can see the moon again, and me showing you the different colors. Very nice packaging. And on the other side, it gives you a preview of what the Galaxy lamp looks like. So I think that would be really cool to get, and maybe someday in the future I'll be able to get that. But let's go ahead and get straight into the unboxing. Now keep in mind, I am trying to unbox this with one hand, so there may be some cuts here and there. But yeah, the first part's not too bad. You'll have a few things inside the box, such as the instructions and certain warnings for the product possibly overheating, and what to avoid, and how to actually get the moon to levitate. But as you can see here in a white box, you'll have the charger, and this was very hard to open with one hand, so I'm going to have to cut and just kind of show you what all came in the box. Alright, so after you get the big white foam box out of the other box, this is what houses the moon, and also the docking brown wooden board where the ball levitates over. And as you can see, I'm comparing it to my hand right here. It's pretty neat, pretty decent size. And here is the magnetic board. As you can see on the bottom, it has rubber foot mounts and also has air ventilation. There's the charger that came in that white box, and the manual again. And we'll go ahead, and pretty much just all you have to do to set it up is just plug it in right in the back, one cord, plug it into the wall. Easy peasy. Actually was able to even do it one-handed, so if that lets you know anything. And it's kind of hard to pick it up on video, but you can see at the bottom right there's the power button, and that changes the modes from the different colors. So now I'm showing you guys what it looks like with like lighting in the room, and my lamp's on. I'm just kind of going through the different colors so you can kind of see what's going on. But it's actually really neat. I caught myself staring at it for a long time. I will admit it was very hard to get it to magnetize, because you have to be very careful and hold it a certain way and lightly put it on. But once you do it a few times, it kind of comes second hand, and it's not too bad. As you can see here, it's fully levitating. You can see the wall behind it, and you can even spin it and also have the light off now, so you can kind of see it in a darker environment and kind of see what it's like. It's pretty chill. Just going to cycle through the different colors that came with this specific one. You can find the link down in the description below, and highly recommend you guys go pick it out. Also check out their website. They have a whole bunch of different lamps and different styles, and even things that aren't moon lamps. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please remember to rate, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.